Power consumption today is excessive, particularly in metropolitans. Many Tier 1, Tier 2 cities of India suffer from failure of around 1000 distribution transformers per month. One of the main reasons for this is transformer overloading. When the power drawn from the transformer exceeds the limit, it starts to wear out and its average life reduces from 30 years to around 18 years. People use a high current rating MCB and draw more power from the energy meter than the prescribed limit. When this is the case in large number of houses, the transformer gets overloaded and the result is. These are some of the statistics on the expenditure of the government on the failed transformers based on Times of India report. Thus, it has become the need of hour to put control over unnecessarily power consumption.
Now we are going to propose our solution for this problem. This is the block diagram of our system.
Transformer through which power is being transmitted or electricity is being provided to various houses. This house A and this house B. Each house has in it installed a smart energy meter, which consists of a conventional energy meter, the slave control unit and the PLC modem. Also at the transformer side there is a master control unit together with the PLC modem and the GSM modem. The communication between the two control units, the slave unit and the master unit, is taking place over the power line itself through the PLC modem. Now this is called a smart energy meter in the sense that it can keep a continuous track of the power usage of that particular house. In case that house exceeds its sanctioned load, then it will get to know about the limit exceeded. Now the same information can be sent over the power lines to the master control unit, which is installed at the transformer side. This on knowing about that particular house, it will first of all use its GSM modem and send the owner of that house a warning message. In case he is avoiding those warning messages and the excessive usage still continues, then this master control unit, it will command the slave unit to cut off the power supply to that house. After the owner of the house contacts the electricity office and he makes the necessary payments, there is a provision on this board itself to restore the electricity to that house. To demonstrate the working of our project, we have designed this master control unit at the transformer side. This is the power line through which it is distributing power to various houses. This is house A together with its load, and this is house B and this is the load of house B. You can see at the LCD here, the limit of this house is 300 watt and it is showing normal usage because no power is being consumed at this time. Similarly, at house A, the same is the case here. It's a residence house, 300 watt usage, limit and normal usage showing. Now I am going to, the same information is being transmitted here at the transformer side where it's showing that A is normal and B is also normal. Okay. Now what I am going to do, I will switch on the bulb of house A1. This is a 200 watt bulb, but the limit of the house is 300 watt. So still it is showing normal usage. You can see at the LCD, the limit is 300 watt and it's showing normal usage because only one 200 watt bulb is switched on. I'm going to switch on the other one also. The second bulb, now the usage is 400 watt, so clearly it must be exceeding its limit of 300 watt. Now it takes around 9 seconds to analyze this, and after this it will start showing that the house A is showing excessive usage. There you see excessive usage. The same information, it will be transmitted to the transformer side through the power line. A in excess 1. Again the information will come again. As I keep on using excessively, the count there increases. Excess 1 and then excess 2. Now it's excess 3. Now the next step, it will be sending the message to house owner of house A. There the message has been sent to house A. You will see the popping up here. Well, the message has come. As I unlock it and see the message, the message I am receiving is urgent warning to house A. Your power consumption is exceeding the limit. Please reduce it. Now I am not going to switch it off. What will happen? Another message will be sent. Again we will see that the message, another message has received. The same message has been received for the second time. Now I am going to keep it on again. What this time it will happen is automatically the power is going to be cut off by, as the microcontroller at the transformer side, it's going to send a command to this unit. the power has been automatically cut by the master control unit. Now you can see the message here that overload has been detected and you need to contact the office. See, so
now once the house owner pays his bill to the authority, the power can be restored to his house through the control unit at the transformer side. We have assigned two buttons at the control unit of the transformer side. This one is for house B and this one is for house A. Now the power of house A is cut. When I press this switch, the power of the house A will be restored.
Brief description about the components that we have used in our project. We have used Tiic C series microcontroller. For power line communication, we have used PLC module. PLC module we have used is provided from the Sunroom Technologies. The PLC module communicates with the microcontroller through UART communication. Here we can see the two blinking LEDs. The red one is for transmission and the green one is for reception. The PLC module acts as an intermediate between the power line and the microcontroller for the communication. At the master controller unit, we have used GSM module, which is SIM 300. GSM module is basically used to send a warning message to the owner of the house, which is using excess energy. Now, if we come to user side, we have used an energy meter. This is a conventional energy meter which is used in households. It contains an IC AD7751. This IC produces pulses on the basis of the energy consumed by the household. We count those pulses in order to calculate the actual amount of energy that is consumed by an house. We have used high current relay to cut off the power supply whenever required. To isolate the high voltage circuit from the low voltage circuit, we have used optocoupler IC, and these same circuitry is used in all the houses.